It's a short 3-minute walk over to the Nong Hoi Market from my beautiful condo here at Chiang Mai Riverside Condo. Let's take a look at that local market where there's practically everything you need. Thai sausage. Lots of fresh food and drinks. Get your delicious dried Thai food here. I love duck eggs. This is my favorite stand. I come here every other day. Swadik up. This lady is one of the sweetest people in the market. Love her. It's okay. Pretty. Hello. Swadik up. Careful. Interestingly, and not common that I've seen, a market that has an enclosed meat shopping area. I kind of like that. Swadik up. Chiang Mai not particularly known for its seafood because we're a long ways from the sea, but it's available here. You can still get fresh seafood here, live and ready to butcher for your pleasure and cooking needs. Cups and bowls for all seasons. Joss sticks and other paraphernalia of Buddhist prayer right here at Nong Hoi Market. Don't be driving your motorbike in here, mister. What are you doing? Are you on your phone? You love your phone, don't you? All girls love their phones. All little girls love their phones. Convenient QR code payment system here in Thailand is off the hook delightful.